Network Entertainment.
Kailan mo nasabi to sa sarili mo? Mag-iipon na ako pagka tumaas sa sweldo ko. Pag wala na akong utang. Pag mas stable na ako sa buhay. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the truth. For many people, later never comes. Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to our Chink Positive Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about a sentence that many people often say. Yun nga, tsaka na lang ako mag-iipon. Tsaka na lang ako mag-uumpisa. It sounds harmless. It's more logical. Wala ka namang pera talagang pang-ipon. Pero sa totoo lang, this is one of the most dangerous financial lies that many people believe. Hindi dahil sa masama ang intention, pero yun nga, later nagkakaroon ng excuses. Di ba? May kasabihan nga tayo, kung gusto gagawa ng paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Yung later na yan, naging months. Yung months niya, naging years. Yung years niya, naging decade. So maraming tao ganito ang plan. Mag-iipon ako pag tumaas ang sweldo ko. Pag tumaas ang sweldo ko, tataas din ang gastos ko. Pag tumaas ang gastos ko, syempre may mas maganda ng phone. Kakain ako sa labas. I-reward ko naman yung sarili ko pag tumaas ang income ko. So ano nangyari? Yung savings took a backseat. Later, next year na, becomes 5. Again, hindi mo nare-realize, matagal na. Let me tell you the truth and the truth will set you free. Maraming tao kasi dinedelay talaga ang pag-iipon kasi may mas malalim pang dahilan eh. Hindi ito tungkol sa income. This is more emotional rather than financial. And then what do you mean, Shinky? Kasi some people avoid saving because saving money for them feels stressful. Kasi may mga ibang tao na parang, ba't pa ako mag-iipon? Ang liit-liit lang naman yan. Saan mapupunta yung ipon na ganun kaliit? Di ba nagigets nyo? Or maybe ikaw mismo, you grew up in an environment where, yun nga, na hindi kayo nag-iipon. Kasi ano pang ipunin nyo? Parati na lang kulang, utang, bayad utang, kulang, utang. So, that habit of making ipon is not developed, is not being practiced. Hindi naman sa ayaw mo dahil wala nga. So, from the outside, it looks like procrastination, but often, actually, yun nga, ito yung naintindihan ko yung paniniwala mo pagdating sa pera. And this is the reality about belief. What you believe in life becomes the truth. Diba? Kung naniwala ka na mahirap mag-ipon, mahirapan ka talaga. Diba? So, pero pag naniwala ka, hindi. Mag-iipon muna ako bago ako gumastos. Kahit na mag-ipon ka ng 20 pesos sa isang araw times 30 days, that's 600 a month times 12 months, may 7,200 a year ka. Agree? So my question is, what happens kung ganun pa rin ang mindset mo? Sinasabi mo, tsaka na lang, later na lang. Alam mo, mangyayari, nilipas ang oras. At ang oras, hindi na babalik. The longer you delay, the more you lose. Diba? It is not, again, the lack of ability. It is because the lack of initiative to get started. So my challenge to you right now, as you listen to this podcast, up to this very day, may ipon ka na ba? Gumagawa ka ba ng paraan? O gumagawa ka ng dahilan? At hanggang ngayon, kung meron ka pang dahilan dahil hindi ka nakakaipon, let me leave you with this idea. Saving is not something you start when life becomes better. Life can become better because you started to save. Saving is a decision. Kaya kung habang nakikinig ka dito at napapansin mo, lagi mo na lang sinasabi, tsaka na lang, later na lang, baka may deeper pattern sa relationship mo sa pera na kailangan mong maunawaan. So if you want to start addressing this so that you can get started to save, please do yourself a favor, go to my Facebook account with 6 million followers kasi marami akong mga posters doon. And then, or my Instagram, and then just comment in the comment section, heal. And I will start helping you on how to address your deeper issues behind your financial habits. This is Chinkitan. Again, thanking you for joining me in this podcast episode. And I hope that you are enlightened. As I always say in my podcast, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink Positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.